In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. By the end, you'll have two-factor authentication set up for stronger security on your LinkedIn account. Before we begin, make sure you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your phone and that you can unlock it. You'll also want to be signed into LinkedIn in a web browser. Start by going to LinkedIn. Once you're on your feed, click your profile photo in the top navigation bar to open the account menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all your account controls. On the left-hand side, choose Sign In and Security. This section houses your password, devices, and verification options. Now, look for two-factor authentication. Turning this on means you'll need a one-time code in addition to your password whenever you sign in, which dramatically reduces the risk of someone accessing your account without permission. Click Setup. LinkedIn will ask how you want to receive verification codes. Choose Authenticator app. This option uses time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds and work even when your phone is offline. Click Continue, and LinkedIn will display a QR code on the screen. You may also see a setup key beneath it, which is handy if you can't scan. Keep that page open on your computer, then grab your phone and open Microsoft Authenticator. Tap the Add Account or plus button, then choose to add another account. Select the option to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code on the LinkedIn page, and the app will capture it instantly. If your camera can't scan, choose the manual entry option in Microsoft Authenticator and type the setup key shown on LinkedIn exactly as it appears. As soon as the account is added, Microsoft Authenticator will start generating 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. Return to LinkedIn in your browser. If prompted, enter the current 6-digit code from Microsoft Authenticator to confirm the setup, then finish any on-screen steps to enable two-factor authentication. That's it. LinkedIn is now protected with Microsoft Authenticator. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Consider saving any backup or recovery options LinkedIn provides so you're not locked out if you lose your phone. If you upgrade devices later, use Microsoft Authenticator's backup and restore features to move your code safely. And remember, each time you sign into LinkedIn, you'll use your password plus the code from Microsoft Authenticator. You've successfully added LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. Thanks for watching and stay secure.